How to permanently remove the Activate Windows watermark on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hey guys, and welcome back. While there is no such direct way by which you can remove the Activate Windows watermark, but here is an alternative that should definitely work. So for this, you have to first open the Run dialog box and then type in regedit and press enter to open the registry editor. It will ask for permission, tap on yes. Now you have to navigate to the specific registry path. So for this, first of all, expand the HK local machine, then expand the system. Now expand current control set and then expand the services. Now scroll down until you find a folder called as SVSVC. Then just enter on the folder. Now on the right side of the screen, you will see the start entry. You have to change the value data from 3 to 4. To do this, double click on the start and there you will see value data. Change it, tap on OK and restart your computer. And this should probably help. However, it's important to note that recommended and legitimate way to remove the watermark is to activate Windows with a valid license. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.